who's home from school. And you were very happy to find what when you got home?
FabFitFun.
And?
IPSY.
So first of all, let's admire this adorable box that I will be reusing. Hi. Inside's adorable. So little magazine. Yeah.
I never look in that. Sometimes, not really. Alright. Eyeshadow palette. Proof is in the pudding.
Cool. What kind of pudding is it?
Ooh.
That's a nice palette.
Look, it's bananas.
Oh, it is bananas.
I think I just touched it in my nose.
Nice. Does it smell like bananas?
No, but these are the names. Rice pudding, China pudding, bread pudding, mango pudding, spiced caramel, butterscotched, nana pudding.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah. That's
I
cute.
like that. That's cute. That'd make a really cute gift for somebody.
Or just a gift for yourself. Makeup eraser.
What's a makeup eraser?
Erase all makeup with just water.
So just
Probably
like a cloth?
rag, yeah, I would assume. Yeah.
Let's see it.
I think I have
So
one of
just a
these.
special cloth.
Yeah,
Cool.
I have one of these. You can have this. Will you use it?
I would probably be in need of one, yes. Okay, go to the next item. No, we're about putting it back. Because I don't know how much battery I have left.
A brush cleaner. A makeup brush cleaner. That's nice.
Let's see. Okay.
It's dusty. Don't have one of those.
What's this? Oh. A few things left.
Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. So, if you want dewy makeup finish.
Dewy makeup finish.
Yeah, I prefer matte, but if you like a dewy, and you have some drops here. That's pretty. Okay. We have detangler. That's always nice. Ooh. I'll definitely use this. I'm actually out. Shampoo and conditioner. I can't smell it. There's probably something on like the...
You can't, it doesn't have a smell?
No, there's probably like a...
Oh, a sealer. Yeah.
I still smell it. I can't put it back on. Okay, 2 more things. Body wash.
Ooh, let's smell that.
Hand and body wash. That's nice. I can take that too.
What do you mean take? Nobody said you can take anything.
Well,
This is for all of us, so you have to leave it here.
School.
What does it smell like?
Ew. Yeah, you can have it.
Oh, great. Thanks.
It's just not the smell I like. It smells like something, but I don't.
Ew. It's
like
almost eucalyptus-y, which is like odd for a body wash.
lavender.
No, I was close.
I'm just not really a big lavender person.
Let's go to Langley.
Ooh, I call this
What is it?
eyelash and eyebrow conditioner.
Let's see the name brand. Okay.
Definitely want this, especially if it makes your eyelashes grow.
But yours are longer than mine. So wouldn't
It's
that
just 'cause
mean
have
I need it?
mascara on it.
No. Without mascara, I have like no lashes.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So that's it?
Yep.
All right, go to your IPSY.
Can't see.
So this
Pretty bad.
month's bag is silver. Now I think I requested like customize. I think you're able to customize one thing, and I think I customized one thing. So what's that?
This is just moisturizing balm.
Okay.
This is BB cream.
Okay. Normally get 5 things, by the way, in IPSY bag. Used to be $10. It went up to 12. And FabFitFun is 4 times a year.
It's like 50 right now.
Yeah, it's pushing 60. And what is
Blush.
that? Blush. Okay.
Tarte.
Sometimes you get a full. A lot of times they're sample size, but sometimes you get a full. Like we've gotten a full mascara before.
They also
full
send,
eyeliner.
brushes a lot. Like sometimes they'll just throw in like a cool brush.
And what is that one?
This is an eyeshadow.
Wait, did you open this one? Oh, that was the blush. So this was the blush.
This is an eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow. Oh, didn't do it long enough. So, eyeshadow. The blush. Oops. It's by them. What is that? Lip gloss?
I think this is matte lipstick. Ooh.
Let's see what color that is. Try it. Try it.
Am I close?
Why do you not want to put it on?
Because it's like really dark.
Well, let's see until you get it on. Okay, now put your lips together. It doesn't show up as dark as it looks, but it does have like this purple tint to it. Oh, that's not as dark as you think it is.
Crazy.
You always look crazy.
Good, that's actually the look I was going for.
You are perfectionist. All right. So what is your opinion on this month's FabFit and this month's IPSY?
It's not my favorite IPSY.
Why is that?
I don't know. I mean, the blush is nice, but I don't actually have blush. I don't really use BB cream a lot. Moisturizer is nice.
That might have been what I customized. That sounds a little familiar. Like you can pick one item, and I think I might have picked that. What about FabFit?
I like the FabFit actually. I think it, like, you literally got full-size shampoo and conditioner, which is nice.
Full-size body wash.
Body wash is okay.
The
I already have
palette.
one of these,
The
but I
palette's
feel like this
nice.
would be nice. Yeah, the palette's nice. I need a brush cleaner because my brushes are disgusting.
All right.
I mean, these would be nice if I liked glowy. But
That's weird. Now the lip gloss, like the glossiness is gone, and now it just looks like you have lipstick on.
yeah, because that's what it is. It's not gloss.
Oh, well, that was interesting.
It's
Like it went on as gloss,
It's matte lipstick.
and now you look like you're wearing purple lipstick.
Lakeland just looked at me weird. Don't
Yeah.
I look weird?
Lakeland just came in. At first it looked fine.
Mom, what did you make me? Mom!
On that note, let everybody know that there'll be a new Vegas vlog and a new Disney vlog within the next 2 weeks. Glad you let them know that. What else would you like to say?
Might need to use that makeup eraser.
So